Amazon favorites part 39. This dehumidifier reaches up to 3,000 square feet in your house. You can use an app to turn it off and on, and it holds up to a gallon of water. I cannot believe how much water it sucked out of my home.
Dehumidifiers are very costly. You can get these high-quality dehumidifiers for only $50. We got over 2,000 plus sales with over 200 reviews. 12 days shipping, and all shipping is free. What are you waiting for? Order now. Only 5+ rated reviews. Get yours today while stocks last.